So, right after you signing in to your TurboTax account, you want to look at the top left of your screen and make sure you are clicking on My Info button under the year of your taxes. After that, on your info, specifically on your name, you want to click on it. And you want to tap on Revisit or Review button. On this page, you want to click on Continue button. Click on Continue button again. For this one, I will skip for now. Again, click on Continue button until you see this. About your household page, and you can adjust your married status on TurboTax, on to plan to file jointly. And then after you are done, you can just click on Continue button to save your change, and you are good to go. Your filing status should be changed by now. By click on My Info pages. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.